Vance Money Review. Best money transferring app? I'm going to tell you if Vance Money is the best app for money transfers. First off, Vance is now rebranded as Aspora. Same team, new name. The app's core strength remains fast, low fee transfers to India with real exchange rates and no hidden charges. You can send money from the UAE, UK, or EU directly to any Indian bank, often within minutes. The interface is sleek, beginner friendly, and built for NRIs looking for quick, reliable service. While it's still expanding features like multi currency support, Aspora, or Vance is already a strong pick for simple, everyday remittances.